again.
Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how I achieved this hairstyle. If you would like to find out how I did it, just carry on watching. So now that our rollers are heated, we're just gonna go ahead and put them in our hair. The ones I usually use are the medium-sized ones and the small ones because I like a tighter curl, and I tend to stay away from these, the bigger ones, because I feel like they give me more of a wavy hairdo instead of like tight vintage curls, which is the look we are trying to achieve. Okay, so I don't have a specific setting pattern for this hairstyle. I just part it where I usually part my hair and I roll. Show you how it's done. Okay, so first you want to prep your hair. I usually use this. I don't know, it's never failed me before, and I have 2 bottles, so why not? So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna obviously part my hair the way I usually do it, and we're just gonna section just one, not too much hair. I do have very fine hair, so this is basically just my bangs. So we're just gonna get that, give it a little spritz, right, and ooh, someone in my mouth. I'm just gonna get the medium-sized ones and I'm gonna roll it downwards. Just quick and easy, you know. And that's kind of settled. You don't have to worry too much about the baby hairs because you can hairspray that into place later on. But yeah, oh, this is annoying. Anyway, okay, so then we do the sides now. I usually like to section off my hair into 2 portions, so I will just do that and just get that out of the way first. So I use the smaller curls on the bottom, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're just gonna grab small sections, spray, and for the bottom layer I like to roll up. So I'm gonna roll up, put that in place. These pins, there's so many of them, but so I'm just gonna put it there, and I'm gonna do the rest.
We now return to your regular programming.
Okay, so we just had like a cereal break, and now the colors have more or less cooled down, so you can just start removing them. Okay, so once you're done, just gently like break the curls up, and you can see that it's nice and bouncy. So what I use is this and this. So I'm just going to tease the top with this portion, obviously, and spray. now's the time to get like your baby hairs up in there as well. And you can just gently tease it around, like backcomb it. Now you get your smoothing brush. Just gently kind of mold the curl. Don't brush it out too much because that's going to get rid of the hairspray, and you still want the teasing to still be there. Just brush it against your thumb and your finger to get that cute tucked in look. So once you're done, I would do like another round of hairspray, but since this is like quarantine period, I'm just gonna leave it like this. But you can hairspray the hell out of it. Now obviously finishing touches would be to accessories. Great. Alright, well that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very quick 40s hair tutorial. I feel a bit like Ellie Hamilton. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to try to post more often. But yeah, thanks for watching.